Do you ever feel drained, disconnected, or out of alignment with your true self? Have you ever wondered how to tap into a source of endless energy and elevate your vibrations to the highest level? What if I told you that you can harness the ancient wisdom of Taoism to transform your life, raise your energy, and feel more alive than ever? In this video, we're going to explore 6 powerful ways to increase your energy and raise your vibration, all inspired by the profound teachings of Taoism. So stay with us to discover these timeless secrets that can help you unlock your true potential and connect with the universe on a deeper level. But first, let's talk about the foundation of it all, Taoism. Are you ready to elevate your mind and soul? Part 1. What is Taoism? Taoism is an ancient Chinese philosophy and spiritual practice that teaches us to live in harmony with the Tao, the natural flow of the universe. Founded by Laozi, a wise philosopher from ancient China, Taoism emphasizes simplicity, balance, and living in alignment with the world around us. Laozi's masterpiece, the Tao Te Ching, is the sacred text of Taoism, and it holds deep wisdom about the way of life, inner peace, and spiritual growth. One of the core teachings of Taoism is the cultivation of Qi, the vital life force energy that flows through all living things. When your Qi is abundant and flowing freely, your energy levels soar, your vibration rises, and you experience a deep sense of inner peace and vitality. Part 2. Why raising your vibration matters. So, why is raising your vibration so important? Simply put, your vibration is the frequency at which your body, mind, and soul resonate. Everything in the universe is energy, and when you increase your personal vibration, you align yourself with the higher frequencies of love, joy, and abundance. This allows you to attract positive experiences and people into your life. By learning to elevate your vibration, you become more attuned to the flow of the universe, enabling you to manifest your desires and cultivate greater peace and happiness. So let's dive into the 6 practices from Taoism that can help you elevate your energy and raise your vibration to new heights. Part 3. 6 Taoist ways to elevate your energy now. Let's explore 6 Taoist practices that can help you elevate your energy and raise your vibration to the sky. These methods have been used for centuries by Taoist sages and spiritual seekers, and they can work wonders in your own life. 1. Qi Gong and Tai Chi. Qi Gong and Tai Chi are ancient Taoist practices that focus on cultivating and balancing your Qi. These gentle exercises promote the free flow of energy through the body, helping to release blockages and increase vitality. By incorporating slow, flowing movements and deep breathing, you harmonize your body and mind, which in turn raises your energy and vibration. Start with simple Tai Chi or Qi Gong movements, focusing on your breath and being present in the moment. Feel the energy building within you as you move and breathe. The more you practice, the more your energy will shift. 2. Meditation and inner stillness. Meditation is at the heart of Taoism. It's the practice of quieting the mind, releasing distractions, and connecting with the Tao. By entering a state of inner stillness, you allow your energy to align with the natural flow of the universe. Meditation helps you tap into the limitless source of Qi that is always available to you. Try sitting in a comfortable position, closing your eyes and focusing on your breath. Let go of any thoughts and simply observe the sensation of breathing. Over time, meditation will help raise your vibration, improve your focus, and bring peace to your mind. 3. Embracing simplicity and letting go of attachments. In Taoism, simplicity is key. Laozi teaches us that by letting go of unnecessary attachments, whether physical, emotional, or mental, we free ourselves from the burdens that weigh us down. When we live simply and release what no longer serves us, we create space for higher energy to flow freely. Take a moment to look at your life, your home, your relationships, your possessions. Is there anything that's holding you back or causing stress? Consider letting go of what no longer serves your highest good. By doing so, you open yourself up to higher vibrations and deeper peace. Next section, practicing breathwork. Breath is the bridge between the body and the spirit. In Taoism, conscious breathing is a powerful tool to raise your vibration and connect with your inner energy. By practicing deep, slow, and intentional breathing, you bring fresh qi into your body, relax your mind, and elevate your vibration. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with air. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for several minutes, focusing on the rise and fall of your breath. As you breathe, feel your energy expanding and your vibration lifting. 5. Spending time in nature. Taoism emphasizes living in harmony with nature, as nature itself embodies the flow of qi. Spending time in nature, whether it's walking in a forest, sitting by a river, or simply breathing fresh air, can help you reconnect with your natural energy and raise your vibration. Go outside and immerse yourself in nature's beauty. Feel the earth beneath your feet, the wind on your skin, and the sun on your face. Nature has the power to restore and rejuvenate your energy, so make it a priority to connect with it regularly. The last part, nourishing your body and spirit. Finally, Taoism teaches us to nourish both the body and the spirit. When you feed your body with wholesome, nutritious food and take care of your health, you provide it with the energy it needs to thrive. Likewise, taking time for self-care, whether it's a bath, a massage, or simply resting, helps you replenish your qi and maintain high vibrations. Choose foods that are fresh, natural, and nourishing. Take time to relax and rejuvenate your spirit. By treating your body and mind with kindness, you keep your energy vibrant and strong. Now that you've learned these 6 powerful ways to elevate your energy and raise your vibration, it's time to put them into practice. Remember, Taoism teaches us that the key to living a vibrant, harmonious life is to flow with the Tao, the natural flow of energy in the universe. By cultivating your qi, simplifying your life, meditating, breathing deeply, connecting with nature, and nourishing your body and spirit, you can raise your vibration to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more spiritual insights and practices. Leave a comment below and let us know which Taoist practice you're going to start using to elevate your energy. And be sure to check out our next video, where we dive deeper into the ancient wisdom of Taoism and explore even more ways to live in harmony with the universe. Until next time, stay aligned, stay elevated, and remember to keep your energy high and your vibration soaring.